In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to tilt an image in Photoshop. Whether you want to slightly rotate a photo, create a dramatic angled look, or tilt an image with perspective so it looks like it's leaning in 3D, Photoshop has a few really simple tools that can do this in seconds. I'll walk you through the fastest method most people use, plus a couple of extra techniques that give you more control depending on the effect you want. If you work with thumbnails, social media graphics, or photo edits, this is a really useful trick to know. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first and most common way to tilt an image in Photoshop is by using free transform. This is the quickest method and it's what most designers use for simple rotations. First, open your image in Photoshop and go to the Layers panel. Click on the layer that contains the image you want to tilt. Once the layer is selected, press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard to activate Free Transform. You'll see a bounding box appear around your image with small handles on the corners and sides. Now move your mouse slightly outside one of the corner handles. When you do this, your cursor will change into a curved double arrow. This means Photoshop is ready to rotate the image. Click and drag your mouse left or right to start tilting the image. As you drag, the image will rotate smoothly so you can position it exactly how you want. If you want more control, here's a useful tip. Hold the Shift key while rotating. This makes the rotation snap into clean 15-degree increments, which is really helpful when you want a perfectly straight angle or a consistent tilt. Once you're happy with the angle of your image, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the transformation. And that's it. Your image is now tilted. This method is perfect for thumbnails, posters, and graphic designs where you just need a quick angled look. Now let's look at another method that gives you a more dramatic effect. Instead of simply rotating the image, you can tilt it with perspective so it looks like the image is leaning in three-dimensional space. To do this, select your image layer again in the Layers panel. Press Ctrl plus T to open Free Transform just like before, but this time right-click anywhere inside the transform box. A menu will appear with several transform options. From this list, choose Distort or Perspective. Once you select one of these options, you can drag the corner handles independently. Try dragging one of the top corners inward or outward. You'll notice the image begins to tilt in a way that looks more like depth or perspective instead of a flat rotation. This technique is great when you want your image to look like it's standing, leaning, or placed on a surface in 3D space. When you're satisfied with the effect, press Enter to apply the transformation. There's also one more method you should know. If you want to tilt the entire image instead of just a layer, you can rotate the whole canvas. Go to the top menu and click Image, then choose Image Rotation. From here, you can select options like 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or choose Arbitrary if you want to enter a custom rotation angle. This rotates the entire canvas rather than just one object. And that's how to tilt an image in Photoshop using three simple methods. The fastest option is usually Ctrl plus T and rotating with Free Transform, but perspective and canvas rotation can be really useful depending on the effect you want. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.